In this lecture, we are going to start method to solve quadratic equation. So, for that, let's take up an example. We have an example 9 given in your book. Solve x square plus 2 is equals to 0. In our last videos, we discussed basic concepts and exercise 5.1, that is polar form. Also, we discuss basic of complex number. So now this is the time to discuss solution of some equation whose solution are not real. जिनके solution अभी तक real नहीं है उनको हम solve कैसे करते हैं. I taught you this thing in my first lecture also, जो आपको first video upload की है इस complex number chapter की. उसमें आपको समझाया गया है कि कैसे हमने इसका जो complex number chapter है उसका use किया है to solve our problems which were given in 10th standard and we were not able to solve them. So one of the example is given as x square plus 2 equals to 0. So we have to solve that. So let's start solution. We know x square will be find by taking 2 at right side. So it will give me minus 2. Now x is equals to plus minus. It is root with माइनस नंबर. ये रूट के अंदर माइनस नंबर है जो हमारा पॉसिबल नहीं है फाइंड आउट करना, तो आपको बताया हुआ है रूट -1 इज इक्वल टू आयटा. वेनेवर वी हैव रूट इनसाइड वेनेवर वी हैव माइनस इनसाइड रूट, तो वो नंबर हमारा इमेजिनरी की तरफ टेंड करता है. तो यानी वहाँ पर उस माइनस को हटाने के लिए हम यहाँ आई इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. एंड दैट इज़ द यूज़ ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर टू फाइंड सोल्यूशन ऑफ सच प्रॉब्लम्स. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? This implies x is equals to plus minus root 2 iota. In place of root -1 हमने यहाँ लिख दिया है iota. So this is the solution of given problem. अभी तक ये क्लास 10 तक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो पाती थी, हम यहाँ छोड़ देते थे लिखकर नो रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट. अब हम इसे सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ इमेजिनरी नंबर. नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 10. सॉल्व x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now see here, this equation is given. How we solve it? First let me tell you nature of this equation. Nature हम कैसे निकालते थे? We know d is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is equals to, b means a, b and c. b is 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1, that is 1 minus 4 minus 3 less than 0. No real root. So no real root exists in this case. So now we will find out solution. If you remember quadratic formula में क्या होता था? So x is equals to minus b plus minus root d by, that is equals to 2a, and denominator let's put their values. Minus times b, minus 1 plus minus root of minus 3 upon 2 into 1 because a is 1 here. So minus 1 plus minus, अब देखिए यहाँ रूट में माइनस आ गया है तो वी विल रिप्लेस रूट -1 by iota again. So minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2, and this is my answer. So this method is very easy. So in these two examples we saw that how we find out solution of any quadratic problem having no real root. जहाँ पर भी no real root आता है वहाँ हम उसे कैसे solve करते हैं. So let's come up to example 11 also. Solve root 5x square plus x plus root 5 equals to 0. So once again I will find out d. Here d is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is equals to, b means 1 square minus 4 into a is root 5 and c is root 5. So I am getting 1 minus 20, that is equals to minus 19 less than 0. Again no real root, so I will write down by quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, that is equals to minus 1 plus minus root minus 19 by 2 root 5, that is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 19 iota upon 2 root 5. So this way we will proceed. Now it's up to you. You can rationalize it also. आप root 5 से ऊपर नीचे multiply करके इसे rationalize भी कर सकते हैं, और you can leave here according to your comfortability. So this way we will introduce iota in place of root minus 1, and we will be able to solve problems of quadratic equation which have imaginary root, that means no real root. So now on the basis of this lecture you will try exercise 5.3 of your NCERT book. You will try that. There are 10 questions given in them. 10 questions हैं तो आप easily कर सकते हैं. All are simply like them. सब example 9, 10, 11 type है. If you have any problem in solving out them, so you can discuss in comment section. So this was our video just after polar form. So in order to get complete knowledge of this chapter, you just go through all videos one by one, and also watch our next video which will be based on miscellaneous example. And you know miscellaneous is the most important part of any chapter. Miscellaneous आपका सबसे important part होता है जिसमें आपके questions काफ़ी सारे given हैं based on different problems जो आपने अभी तक सीखा है, सबको combine करके दिया जाता है, and that usually comes in your examination. That is the important one. So don't forget to watch that video also. So do this exercise and share your problems with us. Thank you.